5. Bonfire Night Facts. Number 1. 1605, Guy Fawkes was caught in the cellars of Houses of Parliament with over 20 barrels of gunpowder. Number 2. Guy Fawkes was sentenced to death using the hung, drawn, and quartered method. Number 3. Modern-day citizens of United Kingdom celebrate using fireworks and bonfires. Dolls are also made from old clothing and newspapers by locals, children calling for a penny for the guy. Number 4. A poem's sang today goes, Remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason, and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder and treason should be forgot. Number 5. Robert Catesby was the original planner and plotters to blow up Parliament. Please like and subscribe.